Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Thursday, May 21st. Royal Caribbean is speaking out after Mexico's environmental agency formally rejected the company's massive Perfect Day Mexico cruise destination along the country's Caribbean coast. Now, as we said yesterday, Mexico blocked the development over concerns involving coral reefs, mangroves, and sensitive coral ecosystems near Costa Maya. In a statement, Royal Caribbean said, "We are disappointed by the decision from Mexico's environmental agency and respect the role of the country's environmental authorities." The cruise line says it remains optimistic that the project could eventually move forward through continued discussions with Mexican officials and local stakeholders. The proposed destination was originally planned to open next year. And Carnival Cruise Line is rolling out a new patriotic bow design across much of its fleet as the company leans further into branding as America's Cruise Line. The new From Sea to Shining Sea crest officially debuted aboard Carnival Legend following a 16-day dry dock yesterday. Carnival says the design is inspired by America the Beautiful and will gradually appear on most U.S.-based ships during future dry docks and new ship deliveries. Carnival Magic is expected to be the next ship to receive the updated bow artwork later this month. And Margaritaville at Sea is introducing a new back-to-back cruise program aimed at passengers looking to combine multiple sailings into one long vacation. The new program allows guests to book consecutive cruises as a single extended itinerary. Benefits of booking multiple sailings include complimentary laundry, expedited debark and embark, and luggage transfers between staterooms when needed. The cruise line says the program is now available in all Florida ports. And cruise stocks were up Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 9%, 26.04. Royal Caribbean up 3%, 253.95. Norwegian up 8.4, 16.04. And Viking up 1%, 83.09. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips at cruiseradio.net. And this week's Cruise Radio podcast, a review of Royal Caribbean's Anthem of the Seas, where you listen to your favorite podcast. Have yourself a great Thursday. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.